to welcome you to my kitchen. Alright, let's go. Are you ready? Alright, I am ready, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright, let's go. Today, guys, I'm gonna make for you guys pork chops. Alright, ready? Alright, it's gonna taste delicious. Alright, let me go over here with you guys what I have here to make this dish. Alright, I have here 6 cloves of garlic. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, if you don't like black pepper, you guys don't have to use. Alright, so I have here 1 teaspoon of Old Bay to give that good flavor. I have 1 onion. I have a half cup of olive oil. I have half teaspoon of paprika. I have half teaspoon of Italian season, and I have half teaspoon here of oregano. Alright, and also I have here a half teaspoon of thyme, and I have here a half cup of cilantro, and I have here a half cup of parsley, just for the top. Right, so I'm not using this just for decoration. And also I have here a half lamb. Alright, and I have here 4 pork chops. Alright, guys, let's start that. Let's start this, guys. Alright, don't forget you have to make some holes so the vegetables penetrate. Alright, so I already did some, so I'm doing more. Right, don't forget to do the back. Alright, so to give that good flavor. Alright, so I already did before, so we can just a little bit more. Very good. Alright, guys, let's start this. This is my blender. Right, this is my olive oil. Very good. Alright, this is my onion. Very good. Right, this is my garlic. Alright, looking good, guys. This is my salt, black pepper, Old Bay. Right, my cilantro. Right, the color and the flavors come together. Alright, guys. Paprika. It's looking good. Okay, guys, this is Italian season, oregano, and thyme. Looking good. This is my lemon juice. Very good. Alright, guys, so now let's start this. Alright. Alright, guys, it's ready. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, it's looking good. Alright, very good. Very good. It's looking good, guys. Alright. See that? So don't forget to the other side. Alright. Looking good. Okay, guys. Now, my next step, I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons, right? Teaspoon of olive oil, all right? And also, this is my white wine, all right? At least I'm gonna add later, all right? So. Medium. Good. Alright? See if I can go for here. It's gonna fit. Let's see. Alright. See you guys in a bit. Okay, yo, time to check. Alright? Let's see how the baby is doing. Alright? Alright, looking good. Alright, very good. You can get closer if you want. It's cooking. Alright? 5 more minutes. We'll be ready. Alright? So, I see you in a little bit. Hey, yo. Alright. Looking good. So now, this I'm gonna reserve. Right? Here. It's looking good. Right. Very good, guys. Right? So now I'm gonna get my butter. In the same pan. Alright. It's a half stick of butter. So right. Next. Good. Melting. Good. Alright, now my wine. Half cup of white wine. Right? Good. Alright. The leftover of the sauce. Alright. I'm gonna use right. Very good. It's looking good, guys. So now I'm gonna let this cook. Alright? So I see you in a little bit. Alright, guys. It's cooking. It's getting gloss. Alright? It's getting gloss. It's almost ready. When it's ready, and I'm gonna pour this in the top of the pork chop. Alright? See you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, guess what? This is my final sushi. Alright? You guys can take a look. Alright? Looking good. Very good, guys. Alright. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright, guys, listen. This was very simple to do it. Alright? Very simple. You can do that. Alright? Let me try. I'll let you know. I like to put some more pepper because I love pepper. Right? Let you know, guys. Delicious, guys. It's melting in my mouth. It's soft. I have to take another bite. Very good, guys, and very simple to do. Hold on a second, guys. Delicious. Hey guys, don't forget to check me out. Alright, like it in my Instagram and also my Facebook and YouTube. Alright, and subscribe. Right? Thank you.